You're supposed to follow what they do. That's how it works. Bella, you're supposed to follow them, honey. You can sing too if you want, because you got your thing on.
Can I sing?
Sure.
I don't want to. Can I say a song?
Go ahead. You're going to stand on the stove.
But I want to circle back.
Your dreidel. I love that you call your spinning top a dreidel.
Bella TV Popstar is on the air.
Bella picked a lobster. What did they say?
Bella picked a lobster. What?
What did they say?
It said Bella Dancerella pop star.
Why did they say that? They say that.
It's like pop star is like, I guess, like a Jonas Brothers. They sing and they dance. So maybe Bella would be a pop star if she sings and dance.
I'm the Joseph. I'm Joseph. And then I dance like this.
Okay, do your dance with that.
Well, I'd rather just walk all around. Why are they saying Bella?
Because it's Bella Dancerella. It's for Bella.